Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with finding the system settings. Just tap on them. And here we have to scroll down to find sound and notification. Then let's localize this option, so phone ringtone. And after tapping on it, we will have this pop-out window with available ringtones from which we can choose. They are pre-installed on the device. You can also tap on add ringtone, and basically if you will have anything, for example, downloaded, it will appear right there in that section and you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. But I will find something in the pre-installed ringtones, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So, for example, this one. And okay, and as you can see, this is how you can check whether you like it or not. And after deciding that, okay, this is the ringtone I'd like to use, make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.